Ex officio in our executive.
Airia munungin nada jai kina Apollo kinitok no abolia show kotomo seberlua senior koteso nesajalo skinet kano ainakin imwali mun aina peta nudai kamanara keda eipone lodai tolosete abolia okarukalo Ijaikina inerike kwape pejono la ngosi beef Wilfred oluka Okeriau lode rapole cholong teso he teachers association ngesabu itorona Apollo kisemeroi luda itopolortos Aitosamainen idue luda adauna pakikech.
The Sports Act is the law criminalizing the activities of games and sports. We are not going to be happy that you are handled slowly but surely, then you can easily be delegation. And I know there are people who are done, even as I talk now, they are closing the ears. It's only the back of the head which is here. We are talking at issues against this, they call them board players or whatever. And then also avoid the idea of giving too many powers to the coaches.
Robert Osu, Lord Rai, a president lo abolia show, Koteso zone, yesi abu, ilip, Apollo kisemeroi, keda ayaitok no abolia show, ayunebe, itolo sete kesa abolia show, kanu aike keona, atalantan.
We would want to minimize any kind of malpractice by bringing non-qualified players, by bringing confusion during play. But remember, unless you are here, you are not a teacher, but remember you are bound by the code, but also you are bound by the laws of this country. Then lastly, before I ask my colleagues to handle this, I would like to remind my colleagues, the head teachers, that sporting activities are a must. And according to the minister, in the recent meeting we had, you will be held responsible for any irregularities that shall take place in your district.
Airia munongin nada etolo show ko Soroti Secondary School nesida aponi oinana kinere ayaitok nu abolia show ko semero aina peta nu da ibusa kid kesi aitolo senen.
An athlete in a day must at least have a fruit, must have an egg, must have all these kind of things. They are trying to say, are you having a 5-star hotel? Because in our time when we were students and doing games, our basic food was porridge.
Nicholas Opio, Loda Epolo Kit, no abolia show, Kosoroti district. Ngesida abalebe, abolia show, nesi erasi, no da itopolo read, erionget, Loda yait, no ashoman, keda abolia show, ko Uganda.
The new policy say every school must participate in not less than 15 sports disciplines. Not less than, the word not less than. Sort of that, the teachers will be asked, what are you doing? And the teacher will say, games teacher, what are you doing? And the games teacher, I don't know what he will say.
Teso, kwape ari, nesida puni, IC page, abolia show, no ezon, erasi akaisare alukanyauni, kolap kaloe bunit, Aitodol, adiopet, kolap kalo wongonet. Gabriel Esiku Kanuka TV East, Koibuga Soroti.
Ex officio in our executive.